Hello, I welcome you to this video. We want to see how to run your entire online business from one powerful and practical all-in-one software called System.io. What can I do with System.io? I can build sales funnel, I can run affiliate program, I can automate my email marketing, and I can send marketing emails, I can sell online courses, create a blog, sell physical and digital products. Then I can host evergreen webinars and build websites. Let's see this in details. So this is System.io, all the marketing tools you need in one spot. And the good thing is that it is free. And if you want to use the free version, it's free forever. Okay, before now, people use different platforms together. Example, people create their website on WordPress. Marketing can be done using another platform such as Mailchimp or a different platform entirely. But here, it says stop using different tools for every part of online business. When you integrate everything into one platform, it makes everything easy. So here are the features of this tool. You create sales funnels using proven templates. Then you can send unlimited emails and create email campaigns that can be sent out immediately, or you can schedule when the message is going to go out. You can also build a website in less than 10 minutes. You can create an affiliate program and automate the affiliate payouts. Business automation. You save time and energy by automating your business. Evergreen webinars. You run webinars to grow your audience and make sales. Then you can build an online course and manage your students. For the blogging, you create high converting content and get more traffic. Then you become a dropshipper or sell your own products. So that is basically what this System.io will enable you to do. Then if you've been listening to what I've been saying, you will understand that every business needs a sales funnel, and this System.io replaces your ClickFunnels, Kartra, and the rest of them. And you can see they have nice interface which makes everyday work seamless. So you can manage your affiliate programs, create an online course, automate your marketing. Now before we continue, let me show you the website I built with this System.io. Here is my website I created where I sell and teach an online course. You can see that the page is clean and well designed. It takes less than 20 minutes to put everything into place because you have already made templates waiting for you to choose from. Now let's go and check out the course section. So as a student, you will log in, and here you're going to put your email and password. So I simply input my email and I input my password and I click on login. So here are the enrollment, and I have just one course here. So I've started this course before, so I'm going to say resume, and here is the course layout. From my top left is the course title, and here I have the courses arranged in modules. You can see all of them. And also I have the quiz, and this is what the quiz looks like. So the way it is structured is that at the end of each module, before you can move on to the next module, which is module 2, you must take this quiz. And not just taking the quiz, you should be able to pass the quiz at a set percentage before you be allowed to go to the next module. When you fail the quiz, you have to retake the quiz in order to pass and move to the next module. So I've been able to show you websites I built using this system.io. Now the next thing I'm going to show you is the sales funnel, which is this. So let's go. So when you log into the main dashboard of system.io, you have this menu here. So let me go and show you this sales funnel. Here is the sales funnel, and this is the first one here. I'm going to view the sales funnel so that you see what it looks like. This is what it looks like, and you have the thank you page, something like this. And here is a lengthy one I also built with system.io. Next is the blog I built with system.io. Here is the blog, and if I decide to open any of the blog posts, you can see how well arranged everything is. And from the funnels, let's go to email and campaign. And here is my campaign, and you can also see little stats about the emails, if they were opened, if they were clicked, and some other details about the email. If I say preview email, I can see the email here. So here I can see the open rate and the spam report rate and click rate and bounce rate. And I can also check the newsletter. Here's the newsletter. Then I can check on contacts. Here are my contacts. And over here I can check courses. I just have one course here. So with these few things I've been able to show you, we have a website, I have my blog, I have my course, I've sent marketing emails, and I have automated marketing. Then I have built sales page. So you can see that with just one platform, I'm able to achieve all this. In the next few weeks, I'll be sharing my experience, and I'll try to explain learning how to use this platform. And one thing I want to talk about is the plans. You see, the free plan is 0 per month. Then we have the startup, which is 27 a month, the webinar 47, and the unlimited, which is 97 per month. And on the free plan, you can have up to 2,000 contacts, and you can send unlimited email. You can build 3 sales funnel and have 15 sales funnel steps. You can have just one blog and unlimited blog posts, and you can host one course, and also all your videos can be uploaded in your course for free. They have unlimited course upload, no matter the size of your course material, be it video or audio. The free plan can accommodate unlimited students. Then you can build one community where your students can interact with each other, and the members in that community also can be unlimited. Here is one good thing about this: file storage space. You have unlimited storage space. This platform is actually one of the best right now as we speak. These ones are a little bit advanced, talking about the automated rules, in the sense that when someone subscribes to a form, what do you want to happen next? That is what we do under automation rules. You have your workflow. Everything here you see is one. Email campaign is one. Click to sell is one. Order bump one. A/B test, and every other thing here is one. Then you can have PayPal integration, Stripe integration, that is your payment gateway, and Flutterwave integration as well. Then you can have unlimited assistant accounts so that the platform can be managed by more than or multiple persons. Then you can run your own affiliate program. You have access to one custom domain, and so. Now imagine you are going to pay for each of these services from different platforms. You're going to be spending more money, but you have everything under one platform. So what I want you to do now is to try this platform. If you want to take your business online, or you have been on other platforms whereby you subscribe to different other platforms in order to get your business running, you just have to bring everything here and manage your business from this platform, and you will see that it is very easy to manage. And in the upcoming weeks, I'm going to show you and teach you how to easily navigate with the site based on the experience I have gathered over the few months. So I'm going to drop the link in the description of this video. Click on it, get a free account, or if you want to upgrade, you can get either the startup, webinar, or the limited account. These prices you see here are for monthly. Should you want to pay annually, you can save 30% from whatever plan you want to choose from. So how do you get started with Systeme.io? There are 6 steps you need to take. Check the description for the link to sign up for your account. After that, you can create a funnel. Choose a template while creating the funnel. Design your page by editing the content. Then customize the follow-up, and you go live and you start getting paid. This is where I will be stopping this video for today. I will see you on the next one when we start creating our sales funnel and the rest. Thank you for watching. See you